Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down complex research for everyone. Today, we are diving into a paper that investigates whether the new Passkey technology is actually as secure as it claims to be. We all know passwords are a headache, especially since the Anti-Phishing Working Group reported nearly 900,000 phishing attacks in just one quarter of 2025. To solve this, the FIDO2 standard, commonly called Passkeys, was created to provide a more secure, phishing-resistant alternative. Instead of a secret string you type in, a passkey uses two cryptographic keys, a private one on your device and a public one on the website's server. When you log in, the server sends a challenge, your device signs it, and the server verifies it without your private key ever leaving your hand. This diagram shows the basic workflow where the browser and the authenticator talk to each other to prove who you are. The researchers wanted to know, if passkeys are so great, can they still be hacked? They identified several attack vectors, which are basically the different paths a hacker could take to try and compromise your account. One scary-sounding method is the infected authenticator attack, where a hacker puts malware on your device to control how keys are made. Another method they explored is called Authenticator Deception, which is a high-tech version of a fake website. In this scenario, the hacker has to trick your browser into trusting a fake security certificate and then reroute your internet traffic using DNS spoofing. Interestingly, hackers might use passkey reduction, where a fake site claims the passkey failed just to trick you into typing in a traditional password instead. This works because many websites still allow passwords as a backup, which creates a weak link in the security chain. By modifying the source code of a password manager, the researchers showed that a hacker could potentially know the keys you generate before you even use them. They actually built and tested this attack in a lab environment to see if it was feasible. This second diagram illustrates the Authenticator Deception flow, showing how an attacker positions their machine between you and the real server. This allows the attacker to stand between you and the real website, essentially relaying the login challenge so they can sneak into your account. However, the attacker must also be on the same network as the victim for many of these steps to work. They found that while these attacks can succeed, they are incredibly difficult and require a lot of time and technical resources. Unlike passwords, which can be stolen by the millions with a simple link, these passkey attacks usually require targeting a specific person or infecting their device first. To recap, passkeys largely fulfill their promise of being phishing-resistant because your private key never leaves your device. Most common attacks used against passwords today simply do not work against this new system. The study reminds us that no system is 100% unhackable if an attacker is determined and has physical access to your hardware. In the future, we might see hackers try to automate these complex steps to make them more efficient. For the average user, switching to passkeys is still one of the best moves you can make for your digital security. It raises the bar so high that most casual hackers will not even bother trying. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and stay safe out there in the digital world.